Price K-tips properly and to get and retain clients, it's important to know who your clients are and what your community price level is. If you overcharge for your area, you may get an occasional client, but it will be hard to build a clientele. If you undercharge, you will be leaving money on the table. Also, you may be judged as the cheap extensionist. No one wants that. The trick is to find the right salon price range for you. The 3 salon price ranges are budget salon, mid-price salon, and high-end salon. Keep listening to find out what range is the best price range for your K-tip service. Answer these questions to see if you are a budget salon. Most haircuts are under $50. Color services are under $100 to $150. Price is a factor in booking decisions. Clients are more interested in affordability. Your area is rural or lower income. Retail is a small percentage of revenue, and if you raise prices 10%, you will lose business. Answer these questions to see if you are a mid-priced salon. Haircuts are $50 to $100. Color services are $150 to $300. Clients want quality but still compare prices. Experience and results matter more than price. You have professionals as clients. Your salon is in a suburban or growing market. Retail sells well, but some shopping around happens. And if you raise prices 10%, most clients will stay. Answer these questions to see if you are a high-end salon. Haircuts are $100 and up. Color service is $300 and up. Your stylists are experts at their specialties. A luxury experience is part of the vibe. You have a long waiting list. Luxury retail products sell well. Consultations focus on results rather than price. Your clients are executives, business owners, medical pros, or affluent retirees. The salon is in an affluent suburb or luxury urban area, and if you raise prices 10%, most clients won't notice or mention it. For a budget salon, charge $3 to $4 per strand for installation. The per strand charge does not include hair. Upcharge the hair you purchase 25 to 40%. The client pays for the hair, including the upcharge, as a deposit before book. It is non-refundable. If a client wants to bring their own hair, collect a 50% service deposit and charge $1 more per strand. Have your client sign a waiver that is available in the description below. For a mid-price salon, charge $5 to $6 per strand for installation. The per strand charge does not include hair. Upcharge for hair 50% to 100%. Your client pays for the hair, including upcharge, as a deposit before booking. Non-refundable. If a client wants to bring their own hair, collect a 50% service deposit and charge $1 more per strand. The cut is included, including color is optional. Have your client sign a waiver, available in description below. In a high-end salon, charge $7 to $10 or more per strand for installation. The per strand charge does not include the hair. Upcharge for hair 100% to 200%. The client pays for hair, including upcharge, as a deposit before booking. Non-refundable. Do not let a client bring their own hair. Include cut and color, brush, and hair product in this price. Have client sign a waiver, available in description below. Thank you for listening to the end. Get a free PDF download that includes all of the information and more that is spoken about in this video. See description below for the download. Thank you.